Alright guys, just finished up this 2023 F250. It's got the BDS 3-inch radius arm kit with the Fox Elite 2.5 series shocks. This had the dual speed adjustments. You're gonna adjust it here and here. It's got the nice beefy radius arm. This is also gonna correct your caster. 20x9 method wheels, 35-inch BFG KO2s. We also installed amp power steps on it. You got the rear Elite 2.5 as well. Now the rear is adjustable on top of the resi, so it is a little more difficult to reach in there and make those adjustments. I personally would have rather seen it on the bottom of the resi, but for whatever reason they decided to mount it that way. Real nice looking truck. Alright guys, that's gonna be it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.